Once again, I'm happy to see you again. Welcome to the second lesson about hospitality. Last week, we talked about a few words about welcoming, and where we looked at a few words like kodi, we looked at olio or mulio, ndio or tulio, and kaije. And we said that kodi means are you there? And kodi can also be used instead of olio, or olio can be used instead of mulio. And we said that olio is to refer to when somebody is staying alone, and mulio is when somebody is staying with many people. And we said ndio is a singular. If somebody stays alone, can respond and say ndio, or can say tulio if he stays with many. And then we said kaije means you're most welcome. So today we are going to also look to add on some other words, and one of them is kasangwe. Kasangwe means well found. So if somebody came and say kaije, you also say kasangwe. Kasangwe means well found. It is always said by the visitor. And another word is kowe. So this person who welcomes you might say kowe kaije. Kowe is another word to say I'm super excited, I'm very much happy to see you, I'm most welcome. So the word kowe is mostly used by old people too, because it is a traditional language. Kowe is you're most welcome. And another word is nsemerirwe. Nsemerirwe means I am happy. For example, you say I am happy to see you. Nsemerirwe kukurora is to see you. Nsemerirwe kukurora. This is the either way can say, either you or the host can say nsemerirwe kukurora. And another word is wevale is thank you. Wevale kwija is thank you for coming. So you can say wevale kwija if you're hosting somebody and it says wevale kwija. And another word is abakunu is the people of here. So it is a direct translation. Abakunu, the people of here. For example, you could say abakunu mulio. The people of here there. The direct translation. Abakunu mulio. That can even start at the start when you just come and say abakunu mulio. That means you are asking for if they are there, trying to inquire if they are there. So the conversation can be like you go to somebody's house and say kodi. He replies tulio, opens up the door and says kaije nsemerirwe kukorora. And then you say ego nsemerirwe kukusanga. Kukusanga is to find you. Nsemerirwe kukusanga, I'm happy to see you. And then the conversation of course continues to greeting, which we are going to do in the next lesson. So we can say that the words of today, one is kasangwe, which means well found. Another one is kowe, which is also means I'm happy to see you. Number 3 is nsemerirwe. Nsemerirwe is I'm happy. Number 4 is wevale kwija. And the fourth one is abakunu. What you need to maybe note is that some words, the way we pronounce them in our local language is totally different from how you speak your language. So maybe as you are learning the letters from one of the teachers about syllables, you'll understand that some words, some letters are pronounced differently from how you do pronounce them. But I'm very much happy knowing and happy that you'll be learning all of them. And let us now do a simple practice to know if you have mastered these words. Number 1 is is what? Yes, number 1 is kasangwe, kasangwe, and number 2 is kowe. Then number 3 is yes, nsemerirwe, and number 4 is webale, and number 5 is yes, abakunu. So I know you can now rate them, and tomorrow and the next lesson we shall be looking at greeting, how you can greet in Rutoro. But for now, this is how we welcome. So that's how you welcome, and that's how you be welcomed. And you will always be seeing people giving you hugs, running around, excited because you've come, because that is our culture. Thank you so much for listening. Let's catch next time.